Alpha Griller's Instant Read Meat Thermometer. Instant Read Food Thermometer. Our Instant Read Thermometer features a temperature probe and advanced, highly accurate technology with 2-3 seconds response time. Instructions, meat temperature chart, comes pre-calibrated for your convenience and recalibrating feature if needed. Multi-use. From BBQ thermometer to baking thermometer, our digital food thermometer for cooking is perfect for meats, liquids, deep frying, and candy making. For air fryer, oven, grill, barbecue, griddle, smoker, kitchen, and outdoors. Easy Read digital thermometer for cooking. Large instant thermometer dial with bright blue backlight means you can always read the temperature, whether you are grilling in the dark or baking in your kitchen. Perfect must-have grilling accessory for kitchen essentials. Water resistant. Perfect digital cooking thermometer for meat. Our digital meat thermometer for food of any kind is water resistant, IP66 rated, and can be washed and cleaned under running water. Valentine's Day gifts for him or her. Our meat thermometers for cooking and grilling are delivered in an elegant, foam-lined box, making it the ideal gift for husband or wife. Makes for the perfect food thermometer for cooking. The meat thermometer comes with an additional CR2032 battery in child-safe packaging.